Hello there! Welcome back to Kinda Kartoon, where learning is fun. Today, we're going to have a blast as we explore the world of counting from 1 to 20. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Can you say 1? O-N-E 1. Great job! Now, say 2. T-W-O-2. Keep it up. Say 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. Awesome. Now, let's say 4. F-O-U-R 4. Fantastic. Can you say 5? F-I-V-E 5. Well done. Now, let's count to 6. S-I-X 6. Good job. Say 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Excellent. Now, let's move on to 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Superb. Say 9. N-I-N-E 9. Fantastic. You're doing great. Say 10. T-E-N 10. Awesome. Say 11. E-L-E-V-E-N 11. Great job. Now 12. T-W-E-L-V-E 12. Well done. Say 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13. Fantastic. Now, say 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N 14. Excellent. Can you say 15? F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15. Superb. Now, say 16. S-I-X-T-E-E-N 16. Great job. Say 17. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N 17. Well done. Now, say 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N 18. Fantastic. Say 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N 19. Amazing. You did it. Say 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. Hooray! You've just learned to count from 1 to 20. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a counting expert.